Hello, so in this video I am going to be showing you what I've been up to with my Tyranid Hive Tyrant box. So I'm unsure yet whether I'm going to edit them all together or possibly do them sequentially so you'll be able to see a bit of each. I make a lot of shorter videos in regards to that, so either way I'll just reiterate principally. What I did was I bought the Hive Tyrant / Swarmlord box set, and in that box set you can either build the Hive Tyrant or a Swarmlord. So you can actually make a flying Hive Tyrant, but you also get enough parts. You'll get enough legs, enough tails, enough arms and heads, and weapons obviously, to make two. The only thing you don't get is well, there's a couple of main body parts, but basically it's the main body part and a little starting bit of the tail. But if you make those, or you find or get the bits for them, you can actually make two things, not four, out of the one set. So that out of the way, let's bring on the first guy. So these ones have been sprayed white, and then I've put a wash of Seraphim Sepia on them. There's still some bits that I've missed, like I can spot a bit of white there, so I'll be cracking on with that. But basically what I did was I took the leaping tail and legs, and I did the Swarmlord looking like he's about to lop someone's head off. So there's actually a couple of white bits there, but it's fine. It'll be like a 5-minute job at best. But he's like getting ready to block and then spin and then slash with the other swords, which looks pretty cool. I've seen this one before, so it's not my original idea, but I did really like it. And I think the Swarmlord is cool for the rules. So we'll pop him off to one side. And this is the one, the Hive Tyrant I made. I made another body, kept the legs, kept the tail, the arms and the head are all different, but you get enough of all these little extra bits in the kit. I'll bring them a bit more forward. As you can see, there's a little white bit in the back of his carapace. So from a distance, looks like kind of like a normal Hive Tyrant. So if we spin, don't kill him. If we spin this guy around, you can see obviously we've got just spore chimneys. It's got tail, legs, arms, all the rest of it. Basically, from a distance, he looks a lot like a normal Hive Tyrant. If you look closer, you can see work that I've had to do. So I've made him more of a pronounced spine on his chitinous armour. Some of the spore chimneys came out alright, some of them didn't. This side is probably worse, but I'd put that down to battle damage in game. And obviously this body part again at the front, if my finger's going in the right direction, there it is, isn't perfect, but in my opinion, for £2.50, oh wait, so I already had a little base. I was using it for a heavy weapons team and mortar, but I'd since ripped one of the guys off to cannibalise him for another bit. So this base was open. So I had a base and I made some more torsos. So important to note would be make these parts separately. If we're going to zoom in, make them parts separate. Every time I put my hands in, it zooms out. Anyway. So I make the spore chimneys separate to the main body. I did them in two parts, so I did four bits to make, plus the little, for want of a better word, the groinal area, which you can see as well on here. So I made a copy of that one, as you can see, and that's just using Milliput and the Bluestuff thing. So I will do, as I said, I've already done a smaller video where you can see it still in its Milliput unsprayed stage, and obviously I'll do one afterwards to show you what the progress is with my with these two dudes. But personally, I think I'm quite happy with the fact that I spent £2.50 because I already had a base, and just got two big monsters basically from one kit. Obviously, my favourite's the Swarmlord, but it was beforehand. I just like the kit. I hadn't really thought about storage in any way, shape or form. I just went for the pretty one, basically. relatively speaking. And that's what I think I'm going to end the video, because this went on for 5 minutes, as it says on my timer. You won't see that. It'll be somewhere down here for you. But yeah, it's gone on for 5 minutes, so I'm going to leave it. Thumbs up if you liked it. I didn't like that. Wow, it's fine. Thumbs down if you didn't. Comments down below if you've got any questions, obviously. Give me a shout. And give me a sub if you haven't. Thank you.